How to hide header and footer section in your Squarespace website. So firstly, open your Squarespace website. Click on the link and open in a new tab. After opening your Squarespace website, you firstly have to create an account in this. I have already created my account. So I will directly go to my dashboard and click on the website. Here you will see the editor of our website. The first step is go to design, go to custom CSS. Then click on our website, click anywhere and click on right click and click on inspect. Now scroll up and find body here. Double click on body ID. And click on copy. Now go to our website, type hash and paste it. Now our collection ID will paste here. Now click on save. Now go to our header section and click on inspect. Now click again header, copy the header text, open the bracket, paste header, type hash before header. Now same step apply to footer. Go to footer, inspect, find footer, if you can't find, Control F and type footer here. Here in footer class, double click on footer class, click on copy, now type hash, and paste footer here. Now we want to add some code here to display none footer, type sections. Now you can see that our header and footer will be hide. Now click on save. This will apply only to this page. Now we want to apply on another page. So go to home, click on pages. Now I want to hide on my gallery page. So click on my gallery page option. Now apply the same step before we apply in the home page. Go to body, double click on the layer and copy the another collection ID. Double click and copy go to home, design, custom CSS, comma, type hash, and paste our collection ID. Now you can see that the header and footer is going to hide in this page also. You can apply this step on every page to hide the header and footer in your Squarespace website.